Hey guys! Today I want to do another funnel lifting ripple pour technique, however you want to call it, but I want to do it differently. I want to try combining this technique with cells effect, and in my last video I did this swipe and it worked out really cool. The cells are just beautiful, and I use this Artist Loft Ready Mix paint. And even in case you haven't seen that video and you want to check it out, I'm gonna include the link in the description and also ta-da, right here in the corner. So I thought, since this paint works so well for cells technique, I want to try and use it today with my funnel and see how that's gonna work out. If you wanna check out the other supplies that I'm using, including the Lazy, Susan, and everything else, again, all the details in the description, so check it out. And yeah, let's have some fun with acrylic pouring cells. here it is dry. Oh my god, isn't it a total cells explosion? I don't even know what it reminds me of. Gosh, it's so cool, and I love the, you know, little splashes of gold here and there. It totally brings so much interest. I also really like that there are so many different colors and clusters of cells. So blue cells, red cells, purple, gold, blue, aqua, you name it. And the fact that I spinned my canvas instead of just tilting it created some of the best effects I've ever. It's so cool. So can you see those cells? Let me bring it a little closer to the camera and try to show it to you like this. So can you see there is rings and rings and rings inside of the cells? I have never gotten such effect before. I think it's so awesome. And this lacing here, oh my god, I just love it. But at the same time, I think it's really, really busy. I don't even know if I should go ahead and resin it or if I should paint something on top or maybe stencil it, just because it's so busy. Like, you guys know what I'm talking about. It's hard to stop in one spot. Like, my eye keep just wandering around and around on all the details. Well, you guys let me know, what do you think? Should I leave it as is or should I add something on top here? I'm looking forward to read your comments and you let me know what you think. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.